everyone, hi, it's Amanda here from Creative Pouring. I hope you're all okay and dealing with various quarantines over the world. I hope you and your families are well. Okay, today I've got some leftover paint, some black and some white left over from my big black and white pour, which I'll show you a little bit of. It's just here, it's still just drying a little bit, but it's this big monster here. Yeah, it's too big to show because I've just moved that camera down. There you go. Anyway, it's just sat there, just drying a little bit more. So I had some black and white left over, and I've also got this big cup of like what poured off, and I caught it in a cup, so not to waste it. So I'm going to use this as my sort of base, because it's all mixed up and grey. So I'm going to use it as my base to pour onto, and I'm going to do a straight slash wiggle pour, using just the black, the red and the white. And I've got this tiny baby little bit of gold, which I'm just going to put down at the bottom, so when it comes out in the middle there should be a bit of gold coming out in the middle. That's my hope. There's just a baby bit in there, not even like half an ounce maybe. So these, I know this red's got silicone in it. I don't think the white has, and I can't remember, I'm pretty sure the black one has, but I'll only torch very briefly, like I did with this one, which was glue with glue pouring medium with silicone in it, and I just very briefly torched a section in it which I really like. So I'm trying to get something similar to that, but just with red, white and black, with a little baby bit of gold. So this is a 30 by 40 centimetre canvas. It looks so small compared to the last ones I've done. That's doing me. Anyway, right, here we go. I'm just going to use this paint up, so it's fairly thick. So, can you see? Okay. So I'm just going to do we'll see how we go. I know there's hardly any gold in there, so I'm just going to maybe just do the one layer. Yeah. Let me just scrape that out. Scrape it down the side. It might be a disaster, you never know. Leave that there. Then I'm going to try and keep the, I say try, I'm not going to have much luck about keeping this red away from the white, am I? But never mind. I suppose I could just do interlacing. Black, white, try and keep that red away from the white. I'm sure it mixed in there somewhere. Oh, see, I didn't want to do that, did I? Duh! Never mind, I shall have some pink in there somewhere now, obviously. Right. I'll do one little bit more, but I don't think I need much more paint for that on this canvas. Okay, and just move those out of the way. Yeah, it's tons there. 12 ounces of paint there, so that's tons for this. Mega tons, most probably. Okay, I'm just going to pour a puddle of this mixture. Just for it to go into. And then I'm going to pour it. Okay, can you see? Righty-ho. Yeah, there's loads of paint. Okay. Whatever. I don't want to tip it all in, it's too much. I knew there'd be too much. Oh well, never mind, let's just do a little bit of this around here. Apparently, I watched Mina Village, and she said to if you make your paint on the outside a bit thinner, it rolls over easier. So I've just watered that down a little bit. And just pour that round so it just goes over. Yucky grey. Okay. This was a bit of a mistake, but never mind. I don't think there's enough layers. But we'll see what happens. Okay, right, I'm just going to go off this edge here. I want to keep most of this because that's what's got the interest in it. So I just don't want to lose too much of that feathery bit there, so I'll put that bit of grey there. Honey, shush! Okay. Just going to stick that over the edge and get rid of that. There you go. Bring that back. Bring it back to the middle. And then down. Okay. Honey. Okay, so I'm just going to, again, oh gosh, just put a bit of this here. Muddy mix. Honey, shush! Okay, so I'm just going to bring it down to that corner there and take it off. Might leave a bit of that grey on, actually it's quite, give it a bit of contrast. Okay, and just take it down to that edge there. I'm going to go over that one. Okay. Well, it's definitely unusual. Let me just wipe my hands. I think because I was doing big layers of paint, that's why I haven't got very many individual layers. But it's definitely funky. I'm glad I didn't get, I say, too much pink. I tried to keep away from the pink. I love this feathery bit here. It's quite funky. Now, dare I torch? Well, I'm going to torch. I'm not going to torch anywhere in there. I'm going to torch that bit there. Just very slow bit there. Okay, let's see what happens. I don't want to touch any of this. I might touch that bit there. That sort of greyish bit there. I love this, all this, yeah. So, oh, you know, that's quite good. I've still got a load of paint left, look. I might have to do another one in a minute. Because it's got the gold at the bottom. I suppose I could just chuck some more paint in there, couldn't I? Oh, you never know. While we're doing the experimenting thing. Yeah, let's just get that bit there going a little bit with the old cells. And then just leave this funnel. Oh. There you go. Yeah, can you see all that? Yeah, it's still in frame, good. It's like a vortex, isn't it? And I quite like that little bit of grey, even though it's a bikini corner. Sorry, Karen. The waterfall acrylics. I know she doesn't like bikini corners, but I quite like that. I know. Do I like it? On, off. Maybe not. Yeah, maybe not. Let's just see if we can just take that off a little bit. And bring that down and just take that off that corner. Maybe I need to because I look at the paint moving. Can you see? So just bringing it back now to the middle. So I'll take that all the way down. Go on, Amanda. Go on and take that off. I don't like that indie bit, so I'm just going to take it down. Because there's plenty of paint on here. Bring it back. There you go. I think that's better. I'm not going to torch it either, I'm going to leave it. No. Okay. It's a shame I've got that Mr. Blobby there, but never mind. I'm not going to try and disguise him or do anything with him. I quite like it as it is. I'm glad I took that blobby bit off the end. Oh, that's quite funky. Well, there you go. There's a quick one done. I'm not going to tilt it anymore. I think I've tilted enough paint off, definitely. So I'll just check my corners. They should be okay. Do I do a bit torching? Shall I? No, I'm not going to. I think it's funky as it is. These little baby ones coming off here. I might just do a quick, just really high, just in case there's any bubbles. There shouldn't be, because like I say, this paint's been made for ages. That'll do. Ta-da! There you go. Let's turn the light on. Is it making it better? Oh, it is. Oh, that's really funky. I really quite like that one. Right, well I've got all this paint in here. It's sat there. So I'm going to chuck a bit more paint in there, and then I'm going to get another canvas and I'm going to do another one. I don't know if I've got any paint to pour over, so it might just be a dirty pour. Poor honey, she wants to go out. Alright then, okay, well I hope you enjoyed that. I think it's quite funky. I shall love and leave you. Try and save these gloves, go and get another canvas, and I'm going to do another one. 2 in one day. I much prefer it doing it on this table actually. I've got a lot more room to spread out. Although I don't think my dining room table is really what this is meant for. But anyway, we will go and get another canvas. I hope you like that. Let me just, yeah. Bear with me, and I'm just going to take you off the stand and give you a quick close-up. Okay, so here is the painting sort of portrait version. Sorry for the round circle of light, but that's my light just making it a bit. I'll do it from that way, can you see? There you go, that's the landscape. Funky, very funky, quite like that. It's growing a few sort of weird and wonderful cells of its own. There's one there, look, a grey one, and then there's one there, a couple there, just growing independently. I haven't torched it anymore, so yeah, I think it might morph into something. So I'm going to scrape up this paint off the bottom. I'm going to stick it in that cup there. I've got another canvas on the go, so black, white and red.